Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Children, today we are going to revise the 5 units, okay? So, today you are going to write the half yearly examination, children. Yes, today you are going to write the science exam, okay? Write the 100 marks exam. Already you know the portion, children. 5 units. First unit, heat and temperature. Second unit, electricity. Third unit, changes around us. Fourth unit, cell biology. And fifth unit, basis of classification. And you know the pattern, children. Choose 10 marks. Fill in the blanks 10 marks. Match the following 5 marks. And true or false 10 marks. And analog is 5 marks. Give short answer 15 questions, okay? 30 marks. So finally, detail answers 6 questions, 5 marks. So totally 30 marks. So overall 100 marks. Okay, this is your portion and pattern, children. Now let's move for the first unit, children. Yes, take your science book, all of you. Yes, children, take your first unit. Okay, heat and temperature. This is your first unit. Choose the correct answer. First one, international unit of measuring temperature is option A, Kelvin. Second one, in thermometer, when bulbs comes in contact with hot objects, liquid inside it. Option A, expand. So third one, the body temperature of healthy manners. Option B, 37 degree Celsius. Fourth one, mercury is often used in laboratory thermometers because it expands uniformly. Okay. And see the fill in the blanks, children. Doctors uses clinical thermometer to measure the human body temperature. Second one, at room temperature, mercury is in liquid state. Third one, heat energy transfer from hotter objects to colder objects. And fourth one, minus 7 degrees Celsius temperature is less than 0 degree temperature. And fifth one, the common laboratory thermometer is a mercury thermometer. Okay. And see the math the following, children. Clinical thermometer, kink. And second one, normal temperature of human body, 37 degree Celsius. And Roman letter 3, heat, a form of energy. Fourth one, boiling point of water, 100 degree Celsius. And fifth one, melting point of water, okay, 0 degree Celsius. And concentrate the short answers, children. Okay, children, see the third question. The body temperature of Srinath is 99 degree Fahrenheit. Is he suffering from fever? If so, why? And the answer is, already you know the temperature of normal human temperature in Fahrenheit, children. Yes, 98.6. It's nearer 99. Yes, so the answer is Srinath is not having a fever because the normal body temperature is what? 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. And concentrate the first one, children. Draw the diagram of thermometer, clinical thermometer, and label the parts, okay? So clearly. And see the second question, children. Similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. Concentrate this question also. Next, move for the second unit, children. Children, so one more thing. See the first unit problem, children. Convert the given temperature. Already I'll give you 8 problems, you know, children. Yeah. So the common formula for Fahrenheit to Celsius scale or Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale is the common formula. F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C by 5. So you have to substitute the values. Finally you get the answer. You know the Kelvin scale formula, children? Yeah. K is equal to C plus 273.15. So it's very simple problem, children. So work out the problem, children. Already I'll give you, children. Yes, concentrate this problem also. Okay, fine. Okay, children, see the second unit, electricity. Okay, first one, choose the correct answer. In the circuit diagram is given, children, 10 units of electric charges moving to the x-axis. So what is the current in the circuit, children? 10 ampere. Okay, option A. And the second one, either switch L or switch M and N, it will be open. And third one, Small amount of electrical current are measured in milliampere. So how many milliampere are there in the 0.25 ampere? Yes, the answer is 250 milliampere. Fourth one, so in which the following circuits are the bulb connected in series? Second one is the correct answer. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. First one, the direction of conventional current is opposite to electron flow. And second one unit of coulomb is charge of approximately 6.24 to 10 power 18 protons or electrons. Third one, dash is used to measure the electric current, ammeter. Okay, this is a instrument, children. Fourth one, in conducting materials, electrons are loosely bounded with atoms. Fifth one, is the unit of electrical conductivity of a conductor is Siemens by meter. And concentrate the true or false, children. See the math the following. Cell, a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Second one, switch, used to open or close a circuit. Third one, circuit, a complete path for the flow of an electric current. Fourth one, miniature circuit breaker, reset by hand, circuit becomes complete once again. And fifth one, fuse, a safety device used in the electric circuit. Okay, that's all. And the last one, analogy, water pipe, electric current, wire, copper conductor, wood insulators. Length you are using meter scale. Current, yeah, ammeter. Milliampere 10 power minus 3 A. Microampere 10 power minus 6 ampere. A means ampere. Okay, fine. Okay, children, concentrate the first and second, children. Picture based questions already I'll give you, children. Yeah. So the second one, concentrate. Draw the circuit diagram for the following series connection. Okay, the circuit is given bulb and two, yeah, cells. That is battery. So this is your diagram, children. A bulb is glowing and batteries positive and negative end, and key will be joined. Okay, it will be moving along the x-axis. Okay, fine. Next, move for the question answers, children. Okay, children, see the question answer. What is the speed of electric current? Current travels the speed of 1 by 10th. Okay, speed of the light 0.002 meter by second. The second question, what is the SI unit of electrical conductivity? Okay, so the SI unit of electrical conductivity is Siemens by meter. Name of the device used to generate electricity, electric cell. Fourth one, define fuse. Okay, electric fuse is a safety device which is used in household wiring in many appliances. Okay. Fifth one, name some devices to run heat effect of electric current. Electric bulb, geyser, iron box. Name few insulators, rubber, wood and plastic, glasses. Okay, children, concentrate. The third one, children, explain the construction and working of a dry cell. Okay, so draw the diagram also, children. Your textbooks, they are present in the diagram, children. Dry cell. Dry cell is nothing but primary cell. Okay. Okay, children, see the third unit changes around us. Already I'll give you the 1 marks, children. Yeah. See the fill in the blanks, children. Filling up of a balloon with hot air is a dash change, physical change. Second one, stretching gold coin as a ring is a physical change. Third one, opening a gas cylinder knob converts liquid fuel into gaseous fuel. This is an example of chemical change. Okay. Fourth one, spoiling of food is a chemical change. Fifth one, respiration is a exothermic chemical change. Concentrate, true or false, children. See the math the following, children. Melting, ice cubes to water. Condensation, steam to water drops. Evaporation, water to steam. Freezing, Formation of ice cube. Periodic change. Okay, periodic change. Ticking of clock. Non-periodic change. Collecting flour. Okay, see the analogy, children. Physical change, boiling. Chemical change, burning. Wood to sawdust, that is a physical change. Wood to ash, chemical change. Forest fire, it's a non-periodic change. Changing period in the school, it's a periodic change. Okay, fine. Okay, children, see the question answer. State two example of periodic change. Seasonal changes, motion of a hands of a clock. Mention any two exothermic change reactions. Burning of magnesium ribbon and burning of a candle. Cold milk is heated and it becomes hot. Which type of change it is? It's a reversible change. Fourth one, what type of change is artificial ripening of fruit? It is a reversible chemical change. Fifth one, what type of change is coloring of a paper? It's a physical change. And sixth one, growing of nail is a periodic change. Why? So the answer is growing of nail is a periodic change because it occurs periodically at regular intervals. And the last question, what type of energy changes is associated when ice melts? Ice giving water and you're getting physical change and endothermic. Endothermic means heat is absorbed. Okay. Okay, children, and concentrate this short answers also. First one, concentrate physical and chemical changes. Physical change, no new substances formed. Chemical change, new substances formed. Here, physical changes are reversible. Chemical changes irreversible. Okay, you have to write any 2 points. That's it. And concentrate the fourth question. A solar eclipse is a periodic change. Give your reason. Yes, solar eclipse is a periodic change as it is occur after a definite interval of time. Okay. Okay, children, this is your detailed question. Concentrate this first question. Explain the following statement. Digestion is a chemical change. Okay, when you eat, our mouth physically break down the food into smaller pieces already, you know. So mechanical digestion, okay, occurs in your mouth, stomach and small intestine. So you see, food is chemically changed into digestion when new smaller substances are formed. So moreover, we will never able to get back the raw materials the same from its what it is before. Okay. So digestion of food is a permanent change, which is irreversible. Is it clear to you, children? Yes. Okay, children. See the fourth lesson, cell biology. Choose the correct answer. Basis unit of life. Option A, cell. I am the outermost layer of the animal cell. Who am I? Cell membrane. And concentrate this one. Third one. Which part of the cell is called the brain of the cell? Option D, nucleus. Fourth one. Dash helps in cell division. Centriole. Fifth one. Suitable term for the various components of the cell. Cell organelle. Fill in the blanks. The jelly-like substance present in the cell is called cytoplasm. I convert sun energy into food for the plant. Who am I? Yeah, I'm the chloroplast. Mature red blood cells do not contain a nucleus. Unicellular organisms can only be seen under a microscope. Cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm is equal to protoplasm. Okay, and see the math following, children. Transporting channel, endoplasmic reticulum. Second one, suicidal bag, lysosome. Third one, control room, nucleus. Fourth one, powerhouse, mitochondria. Fifth one, food producer, chloroplast. And see the analogy, children. Bacteria, microorganism. Mango tree, macroorganism. Adipose tissues, eye, organ. Cell wall, plant cell. Centriole, animal cell. Okay. And chloroplast, so you need photosynthesis. Mitochondria, respiration. Okay, now let's move for the question answers, children. Okay, children, see the question answer. First one, what are the functions of cell wall in plant cell? What are the functions? Protection, maintains shape of the cell and acts as a protective framework. Second one, which organelle uses energy from sunlight to make starch? Chloroplast uses energy from sunlight to make starch. Third one, what are the main things in the nucleus? A nuclear envelope, nucleolus, chromatin, body. Fourth one, what does cell membrane do? It acts as a boundary of cell and protectors. Okay, children, see the third one. Write the correct sequence from cell to organisms. Cell, tissues, organ system, organism. Okay, children, see the first detail answers. Write about any three organelles in detail. Okay, what are the three organelles, children? Yeah, this is the three organelles. Okay. What are the three organelles? Chloroplast, Golgi complex, and mitochondria. Okay, now. Yes, children, this is your fifth unit basis of classification, children. I'll give you this photocopy PDF link also, children. So write neatly in your textbook, okay? And see the Roman letter one. Choose the correct answer. First one. The following characteristics are essential for classification. Option C, both of them. Second one, approximately dash species of living organism found in the earth. 8.7 million. Third one, the largest division of a living world is dash. Option B, kingdom. And fourth one, who proposed the five kingdoms of classification? Option C, Whittaker. Fifth one, binomial name of a pigeon is Colombo Livia. Fill in the blanks. First one, Gaspar Bahi in his 1623 introduced the binomial nomenclature. Second one, species is the basic unit of classification. Third one, dash or non-green and non-photosynthetic in nature, fungi. Fourth one, the binomial name of onion is Allium sativum. Fifth one, Carolus Linnaeus is known as the father of modern taxonomy. See the math, the following children concentrate the true or false also. Monera bacteria, Protista euglena, fungi molds, plantae neem, animalia butterfly. Okay, now let's move for the question answer, children. Okay, children, see the first one. What is classification? The method of arranging the organisms into groups is called classification. Second one, list out the five kingdoms classification. Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. So these are all the five kingdoms, children. Third one, define dichotomous key. Okay, it is a tool used to classify the organism based on their similarities and differences. Fourth one, write two examples of Monera. Monera means bacteria. So bacteria and blue-green algae. And what is binomial nomenclature? Here the binomial nomenclature is a universal system of naming organisms. Okay, as per the system, each organism is having two names. The first name genus and the second name species. Sixth question, write the binomial name. Human beings, paddy. So human being a binomial name, Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. Paddy. So Oryza sativa. Oryza sativa. Seventh question, write two features of Protista. So first feature, it includes unicellular and few simple multicellular eukaryotes. Second one, it includes plants like a protist, that means algae, and animal like a protist, protozoans. And concentrate the next question, children. Okay, children, concentrate the detailed answers, children. First one, yes, explain the five kingdoms of classification. Who is proposed the five kingdoms, children? R.H. Whittaker. The five kingdoms classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. He classified the organism into five kingdoms. What are the five kingdoms? Yes, Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia. So you have to write the characteristics, children. Cell type, nucleus, body organization, mode of nutrition, and example. Okay, so concentrate this question answers, children. That's all, children. So write neatly, follow the finger cap method, children. So you have to write the unruled paper, okay? Don't write ruled paper, only you have to use unruled paper. Write the name of the exam, half yearly examination subject very clearly, name, standard section, and you write the heading black pen, children. Blue and black pen have to use it, children. Write neatly and clearly, children. So complete your assignment, that means exam over. You have to send the message in the group without fail. Thank you, children. God bless you. All the best, children.